what's up? I'm back again. Now, thank you so much for shouting so much love to my first video because I really wasn't hoping that much. But thank you so much for it. And for those of you who don't know about it, I recently started a YouTube channel named Soulful Renderings, and here I upload videos on my creative imaginings and all, and it's all been said in the first video, so go check it out. And in this video I'm going to be talking about things about college life which your parents must have never thought about. So with that being said, let's hop right into the video. The first thing that I think most of the people face when they first join college life is that first thing is toppers. The toppers are like people who get 97%, 98%, and 99% and all that stuff, which you and I would not relate to. Okay. Now, even I got percentage like that, and I thought that college life would be the best thing of my life because it would be something which is really cool. And these Bollywood movies, when we see these movies, we feel like college life is student of the year 2, but it is not. Okay, come to the reality, it is not like student of the year 2. So when I first entered college, I felt that okay, fine, everything might go like I thought, but it didn't. I faced a lot of struggle regarding assignments, regarding I do face now, even today during this lockdown. Obviously, we can't understand that much, but then I do face a lot, and everybody does. Okay, everybody does. So do not remain under that facade that college life is like big buildings and cafeterias and all, because it is not like that. Come out of it and see the reality, because you would understand how difficult it is. Secondly, mental pressure. Mental pressure in college life is very common among students, because even I have it, everyone around you has it. So whenever you join college, it is like all kinds of things bombarded in your head suddenly, and you don't know about it. I joined college last year and I have English honors, so I didn't understand anything about it. I had a lot of problem, and let me say you, I was not that bad in school also, that I never thought that it would happen to me, but it did happen. It might sound cliche, but it did happen, and it happens to everybody. And you know what, mental pressure is so much that you might sometimes also think that uh, you might sometimes think that you just would quit college, but do not do that. For all those first year students, I am in first year but I'm in second semester, but for all those students who will join college, I would like to say that please don't do it, because whatever happens for a reason. You are in a particular college for a reason, and everything will turn out to be good. Now, thirdly, okay, sorry, it was four. So thirdly is making friends. Making friends is such a lot of pressure. My god, seriously, such a lot of pressure. Okay, disclaimer, for those people who have friends and who have joined college with all their friends too, it is all very good for you all, but then for me it was very difficult, because I do not have a friend in my college. Okay, I do not have, like I have now, but when I first joined college I didn't have a friend, because I was from Asansol and I came to Kolkata in Loreto College, and there wasn't people who went to Loreto College from my school, so I was very lonely, and I'm an introvert. Okay, I do not say things to people randomly, because there is a vibe, and if that clicks, I become friends with people. I'm very friendly, but then I'm an introvert, so that is a big problem. So, but you know what? Do not hesitate to make friends, because there are people who are really good in your college. There are professors, and who would know, you might end up getting friends who will stay with you for a lifetime. So it's of no use. Go and talk to people, and I might also give this advice to me, because it is like I have so much problem talking with people. Many of my very close friends know that, but people think that okay, she's cool, but then it's not. It's not like that. So that was the third thing. Friends, go make friends, even if you have problem at the first. Do not think about it. And you know what? Parents don't think about it. Parents think that my child is so good in studies. My child is this, that, but this head is a very complex thing, and you will, trust me, you will know how to deal with it. You will know. Now, the fourth thing, okay, fine, this is four. The fourth thing that I was talking about is peer pressure. Now, once you make your friends, there is a whole lot of pressure, okay? Again, there is a whole lot of pressure. Now, life is not easy, okay? My God, goodness gracious. Life is not easy, okay? When you have that feeling of going to college, we all have that when we are in school, that one day I'll go to college and I'll do this, I'll do that, I'll go to the cafeterias, this and that. But when you enter college, you feel, first thing, you just discovered that things are not like that. Second thing, when you do make friends, you feel like, you know what, this friend of mine, she is so very, go to that cafe, go to that pub. There are all such things, okay? There are all such things which, when you would think that I might do it, but it doesn't match my ethics to do it. So do not feel pressurized by it, because there are people who think like this. There are people whom you would meet with your, you will have in your life. There are people like this you will have in your life, whom you would say, and you would see and think that, how come am I friends with such kind of people? There are people like that. But again, everything happens for a reason, and trust the process. You will come out of it, and do not do anything which is out of your ethics. I'm not shaming, okay? Disclaimer, I'm not shaming anyone. I'm not saying that do not go to pubs or do not go to parties, because those are not good. But do not do anything which you feel like is not worth doing. Do not do it, because ultimately your mental satisfaction is what happens, and you should not end up thinking and regretting about a particular thing, that why did I do this. Wow, great English. Why did I do this? Oh, the last thing is distancing. Now, distancing doesn't mean social distancing. It is kind of a social distancing only, but I recently, not recently actually, when I first entered college, I didn't understand about it, but then gradually I saw that when things happen, and your life is so fast and so slow at the same time. You understand what I say? So fast and so slow at the same time when you enter college, that you feel like everyone you love is just going out of hand. Your parents, you love them so much, okay? We love our parents so much. They do so much for us. We are so grateful to God for them. They are God to us. And we feel like, parents are not understanding us. Our friends, whom we thought that we would not be able to even think our lives without them, they even start disintegrating from you, and they have a distance from you. They don't understand you that much. When you were in school, they did understand you, but now they don't understand you. But it is not your problem. Do not judge yourself for that. Do not try to find fault in yourself, because these might sound very cliche, but it is true, that every person in life, somewhere or the other, you do love them, and that is why that distance and that not having such kind of connection again and again, it saddens you, it breaks our heart, but it's gonna be fine. Everyone, one thing, that every single person is dealing with their life in different ways, and they are all trying to figure it out. When you first enter college, you see the college canteen, you see people roaming around in big groups and all, and you feel like I don't have such groups, I'm not able to make such friends. But do not feel like that, because know one thing, that everyone, every single person is trying to figure things out in their own way. No one is in a very good mental condition. Everyone is hustling, everyone is trying to break through the system. And I know, that our education system is such that even such a good experience like college life is bombarded with tons of assignments and submissions and term papers and so many things. So I really hope that you find your friend, your buddy, you make your parents understand that what you feel like, because at the end of the day, mental satisfaction is all we want. And do not do anything which doesn't please you. And know one thing, I can assure this for all of you guys seeing my video. I can assure this, that there will be some people in your life. There are always, I have friends whom I can count on my fingers, like 5, not even 5, 3 to 4 people. And I assure you that there will be people in your life. You will emerge to have people in your life who will stay with you forever. So with that being said, that wraps up my today's video, and I really hope that you have found it interesting and like this video. Share it with your friends, family and your parents, because they must know that what their children are going through. And put it in the comment section below that how you like this video and what kind of videos you will like to see next. And that's it. Okay, stay safe and stay healthy. Social distancing, stay at your home. Okay, stay at your home. Now with that being said, bye bye, toodles.